Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's start with the wallet drainer. Price. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M comes in at a cool $399. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a budget-friendly $219. That's right, folks, you could almost buy two Enders for the price of one FLASHFORGE. If you're feeling fancy and want to impress your friends, go with the FLASHFORGE. But if you're like me, and you still eat ramen 3 times a week, the Ender 3v3 SE is your new best friend. Next up, speed and acceleration. The FLASHFORGE boasts an insane acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second and a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. Imagine your prints zooming out faster than a caffeinated squirrel. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE isn't too shabby either, with a top speed of 250 millimeters per second and acceleration of 2,500 millimeters per square second. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a really enthusiastic bicycle. Both will get you there, but one will definitely make you feel cooler. Now, let's talk bed leveling. The FLASHFORGE has full auto one-click leveling. One click, people! Even your grandma could do it. The Ender 3v3 SE also has auto leveling with its CR touch sensor and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It's like the printer is giving you a high five for not having to mess with those annoying calibration cards. In both cases, you can sit back, relax, and let the tech do the work. But FLASHFORGE's one-click magic might just be the lazy person's dream. Print quality and features? Oh boy, here we go. FLASHFORGE promises ultra-fast and exceptional quality with its Core XY system and vibration compensation. It's like having a personal trainer for your prints. No ghosting, no blurs, just perfection. The Ender 3v3 SE isn't slacking either. It's got the Sprite direct drive extruder, dual Z-axis for stability, and a 32-bit silent mainboard. It's like the ninja of 3D printers, silent but deadly accurate. Both are feature-packed, but FLASHFORGE's speed and quality might just edge it out. Filament runout sensor and power loss recovery are must-haves, and both printers deliver. FLASHFORGE lets you resume from where you left off and change filament mid-print like a boss. Ender 3v3 SE has auto-filament loading and unloading. Just tap, extrude, or retract, and watch the magic happen. It's like having a butler for your filament. Fancy? Lastly, let's talk build plate and design. FLASHFORGE has a flexible, removable PEI steel plate, making it a breeze to remove your prints. The Ender 3v3 SE features a PC spring steel build plate that's sticky and flexible. Just bend it slightly and voila, your masterpiece is free. Both are open designs, but FLASHFORGE's robust build might win over those who like a tank for a 3D printer. Reviewers have a lot to say about both these printers. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, precision, and automatic bed leveling, making it a great entry-level option with excellent performance. However, some users noted issues like firmware freezing and a dark work area. On the flip side, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is celebrated for its ease of setup, user-friendly interface, and great value for beginners. Some users did face issues with faulty units, but overall, it's seen as a reliable and affordable choice. So there you have it, folks. the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Whether you're a speed demon or a budget-conscious creator, there's something for everyone. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing. Product links are in the description.